What we've got here is failure to communicate. Some men just can't read, so you got to really help them with this. Early in the morning, telling you guys, I don't like any more of that singing. Look at your hand and crying. Look at your young and dying. We will always love you more.
Ah, resolveu também.